Hey guys, it's R.
And G, and today we will be showing you how to do multiplication using multiple digits. So our first problem today is going to be 24 times 13 equals X. But instead of using this symbol for multiplication, today we are going to be using the dot, often used in algebra. Using this dot allows you not to be confused with X and the multiplication symbol, since X is a really used variable. So, since the first step in solving this will be to multiply these two numbers together, because the variable is already isolated. That makes this much easier. So, off on a side note, we can just do 24 and 13 times. Down here it's okay to use the multiplication sign as an X because it's not with this problem. So we're going to start. So 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Add the 1, so it's 7. Now down here, add the 0. 1 times 4 is 4. And 1 times 2 is 2. So when we add these numbers together, we will get 2 plus 0 is 2, 7 plus 4 is 11, carry the 1, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So our final answer is 312. Now I'm going to show you why we use these steps to get this answer. So, our first step was simply writing down the equation. 24 times 13. So when doing multiple digit multiplication, our first step is going to be to multiply the numbers in the first column. So that would be 4 times 3. So the answer to 4 times 3 is 12. So down here, we would write the 2. And since we can't put two numbers in the ones column, we're going to have to carry that 1. Our next step is going to be to multiply diagonally. 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. But remember, we have this up there. We carried the 1. So we're going to add 1 to 6 to get 7. Now there are no more numbers above 3, so we're going to move on to the 1. Before we do the 1, we are going to have to write a 0 underneath the 2, because knowing that this is going to be a larger number, there isn't going to be any numbers in the ones column. So now we are going to start with 1 times 4. 1 times 4 is 4, and there's nothing to carry. Now, we do 1 times 2, which is 2. The final step is to add the numbers together to get your answer. 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 4 is 11. So yet again, we're going to carry the 1. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So our final answer is 312. Any questions? Yes?
What does it mean by carrying the number?
So carrying the number, when you have multiple digits in the ones column or the twos column, whatever column you're in, and let's say the answer has more than one digit in it, then we're going to have to carry the second and third and however many digits there are past the ones. So here, for example, the answer was 12, but we can only fit one digit in that column, so we carried the 1 to the second.
Okay, I understand now.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so now it's me. Our next question is, we'll do it right here. It's going to be, 50 times 15, right?
15 times 15.
15 times 50. And this is our problem number 2. Circle it. So 0 times 5 is 0. So 0 times 5 is 0 because if you have 5 and you have it, oops, and if you have it 0 times, then you wouldn't have any 5s. And now we'll do the same thing with the 1, we'll have no 1s. So that's another 0. So now we'll put another 0 down here like we did in this problem. And now 5 times 5 is what? 25. Correct. So we'll put down the 5 here, we'll put the 2 up here. So now 5 times 2, wait, no. 5 times 1 is 5, so now we add our 2, so 5, 6, 7. Now we add them together, but we don't really have to because there are 2 zeros here. So 0 plus 750 is 750, so that is our answer.